Hello everyone. Today let's talk about maintenance-free oil seal. This is a maintenance-free oil seal and it applicable to Fuwa 500K oil seal. And the size is internal diameter is 4.250 and external diameter is 6. The sink is 0.68 and it has with a spring. Look there. This is a spring. And the color is black and there is red brown. This oil seal have many following features. The first one is with longer service life and more wear resistance. Vulcanizes at low temperature. Good abrasion resistance and good structure, aging resistance and oil leakage prevention, mud pro water, ticking spring and ticking skeleton. We also can provide the customer the service. We can customize this color and this size, this tab. If you are interested in this product, just send us our inquiries. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.